So get this, apparently Tesla will not be providing their mobile charging adapters with their upcoming Tesla cars for those who are purchasing for the first time. The rumor first came out when someone from Drive Tesla blog noticed that there is a slight change in their marketing material. They changed the original text of including mobile connector bundle to just mobile connector bundle, implying that it's no longer included. So some speculation was going on Twitter and Reddit, and now finally Elon Musk has come out and said that yep, according to the statistics, not a lot of people were using those mobile adapters anyways, so they decided to exclude that. Elon said in a tweet that usage statistics were super low, so deemed wasteful. On the minor plus side, we will be including more plug adapters with the mobile connector rig. Now you have to add that mobile rig separately when you're buying the car, and you have to pay around $200 extra for that. And if you are purchasing it separately after you have purchased the car, it will be $270. To me, it's pretty bizarre that a car company is following the footsteps of smartphone manufacturers, eco-friendly and all that, with Apple and Samsung not providing chargers. But yeah, I mean, I guess it won't be a problem in developed economies like the USA, where superchargers are all over the place. They are a lot more well adapted to electric vehicles at this point, so it probably won't be a big deal. But then again, statistically speaking, I don't know how many users actually install wall chargers at their home. I mean, who wouldn't like the additional convenience of having an adapter that can convert your 110 volt AC power at your home to charge your car? It's always a better thing to have. I just wonder that, even leading manufacturers like Tesla are starting to do this in developed economies, when other economies catch up with their new electric cars, or even when competitors rise up, I wonder how these smaller competitors will try to do this. I hope they don't copy Tesla one to one and we'll all be wondering which charging adapter is best, and that'll be the new debate. I don't think our ancestors were thinking that in the future when there will be flying cars, we'll all be arguing about the charging cables for those cars. It's weird. But again, statistically speaking, if you're gonna buy a Tesla, it is a pretty expensive vehicle, isn't it? So another additional $200 when purchasing, or after the fact it's $270, may not be that big of a deal. Like if you feel you do need an adapter, you could spend the $270 and get that adapter from them. This could be another strategy by which they are trying to make people install more wall chargers or make them use the supercharging stations more. In the tweet he says that recommend installing Tesla wall chargers or wall connectors well before the car arrives. How many people are really going to do that? I don't really know, but they are going to do that now if they don't want to deal with this inconvenience. I imagine the wall adapter is better than the mobile adapter. If you're someone who has experience with that, let me know. But I guess removing features and making them optional additionals is not really a good move, especially when you're selling something as expensive as a car. It's not just another social media device, although yeah, you can play video games in your Tesla for some reason. Anyway, it's pretty bizarre and I thought I should share it with you. Let me know your thoughts if you have any.